This is AP Calculus AB. It's a question that asks to find the intervals on which this function is increasing or decreasing, and then find all local extrema. I first noticed that log of x, on this one, this is x cubed over 3 minus log of x. Well, if x is less than or equal to 0, that's undefined. So the domain of this is 0 to infinity. If it's, what's that movie? Toy Story, 0 and infinity and beyond. Okay, but it's 0 to infinity. All right, now I will take the derivative, because in order to find the where it's increasing and decreasing, I have to find the derivative. Hold on, I just dropped my pen somewhere. All right, I just dropped part of my pen. I guess it's okay. I find the derivative and then set it equal to 0, or find where it's undefined. Hopefully it won't be undefined anywhere else. And then I use those as critical points, set up intervals, and test the derivative within those intervals to see if it's increasing or decreasing. And then I can find the local maxima and local minima. If it's going up, then down, it's a maximum. If it's down, then up, it's a minimum. So let me take the derivative. This is 3x squared over 3, which is, the 3's cancel, so x squared, f prime of x. Oh, my pen is only a partial pen now. Minus the derivative of log x is 1 over x. So x squared minus 1 over x. And I will set this equal to 0. Now I notice again, there's x is 0, makes this undefined, but 0 isn't in the domain, so I don't have to worry about that. X squared equals 1 over x. I'll multiply both sides by x. X cubed equals 1. X equals the cube root of 1, which equals 1. So my critical point is 1, and I will look at the intervals of 0, because remember my domain is 0 to infinity, 0 to 1, and 1 to infinity. I will pick a value 2 here, and I will pick a value of 1/2 here. And I'm going to plug it into the derivative, x squared minus 1 over x. So 1/2 squared minus 1 over 1/2. So this is 1/4 minus 1 over 1/2 is 2. 1/4 minus 2, that's negative, so it's decreasing. So from 0 to 1, it's decreasing. And then from 1 to infinity, I will do, where's my function? 2 squared, I'm using the point 2 squared minus 1/2. That's 4 minus 1/2 equals 3.5 or 3.5. That's positive, so it's increasing. Increasing. I need more room. Increasing. And therefore, from 1 to infinity, this thing is increasing. So, and then the extrema, it's going down here and up there, increasing, and 1 is where it's 0. So that is a local minimum. So 1, comma, and then I'll plug 1 into the original function. 1 cubed over 3 is 1/3 minus log of 1 is 0. 1/3 minus 0 is 1/3. So 1/3 is the local minimum. And now I'm going to graph this thing somewhere, if I can find Desmos here. And do I already have it? Yeah, x cubed over 3 minus log of x. And I can see that at 1, it's a minimum, and it's decreasing from 0 to 1 and increasing from 1 to infinity. So very good.